Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use collapsible headings in Microsoft Loop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your workspaces and projects where you can organize your collaborative content. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your workspaces are displayed. Go ahead and click on the workspace or project where you want to add collapsible headings. This feature is perfect for keeping your pages organized and making lengthy documents easier to navigate by hiding or showing specific sections as needed. Once you're inside your chosen workspace, look at the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see a list of all your pages within this workspace. Click on the specific page where you want to implement collapsible headings. This is where you'll be adding structured, collapsible content that team members can expand or minimize based on what they need to view. Now here's where the magic happens. In your page content area, type /collapsible. As soon as you type this command, a menu will appear showing you different heading options. You'll see collapsible heading 1, collapsible heading 2, collapsible heading 3, and collapsible heading 4. Each of these represents different heading levels, similar to standard document formatting, allowing you to create a clear hierarchy in your content. Go ahead and click on any of these options based on the structure you want to create. For instance, you might choose collapsible heading 1 for main sections and collapsible heading 2 for subsections within those main topics. After selecting your heading level, type your header text. This is the title that will appear for your collapsible section, so make it clear and descriptive so others know what content is hidden beneath it. Once you've entered your header text, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Now you can type the actual content that belongs under that header. This could be detailed information, bullet points, images, or any other content you want to include. The beauty of collapsible headings is that all this content can be hidden away to keep your page clean and focused. Now take a look at your header and you'll notice a small downward pointing arrow next to it. This arrow indicates that the section is currently expanded and the content is visible. Click on this arrow and watch as the content beneath your header disappears. When you do this, the arrow will transform from pointing down to pointing right, indicating that the section is now collapsed. You can click that arrow again whenever you want to show or hide the content. This makes it incredibly easy to manage large documents and helps keep your workspace tidy while still maintaining access to all the information you need. And that's it! You've successfully set up collapsible headings in Microsoft Loop, making your pages more organized and user-friendly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.